So when I do my podcast episodes, I'm really conscious of the listener. Will you mention this for the listener? Or if I'm just talking to you like I am right now, I'm in your earbuds and you and I are having a conversation. I don't call this a monologue. I call it a dialogue between you and me. Other podcast hosts might say this. This is a monologue for all of my followers. Or they might say, I wanted to share this with all of you. Or they might say, I wanted to make sure that you guys, blah, 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 blah. Now, we wouldn't want to say you guys anyway, because some females will be offended when you say guys, but you're using it in the way where you're talking to guys and gals. They might think that you're being genderist, sexist, and only talking to men. So you wouldn't want to say guys anyway, but the main reason why I say not to say guys or you all or all of you or my listeners is because it's impersonal. It's talking about too many people, and that person listening, you right now, don't know if it's for you if it seems like we're talking about a lot of other people. So I want you to take a page out of this book and make sure that as you launch your podcast or as you run your podcast, that if you're going alone and doing a solo episode, think of it like a dialogue with you and your one avatar, my listener, not my listeners, but my listener, the listener. You, not you guys or you all, just you. Simple, direct. And I think that'll help you get a really good result and have more people hire you for the services that you provide and or buy your courses or whatever it is, how you're going to be making money through your podcast. It's important that you know who's listening, that it is one person. There's generally not groups, although you want it to go to a stadium and you want millions of people to be, quote, listening at a time. For the most part, your listener, he or she is by themselves, exercising, cooking, cleaning, driving, and they're not really having a party listening to your episodes. So just speak to the one person by using a little bit different language. That's the concept for today. And I will see you on the next episode. Thanks.